Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Richmond. I'm going to be doing a Richmond night vlog as requested by JLL. I'll be doing a couple of night vlogs along the Richmond branch. I may or may not get trains in some of them. It's merely just to look around so you guys can have a look at the nightlife at these stations. And speaking of trains, we have a Waratah arriving into platform 2. This train will terminate and then shortly return to the city. A19. I'll just give you guys a bit of a pan of the area before I wrap the vlog up. There's obviously not too much I can film here. There's not too much of a point in going to the other end of the platform because it's just pitch black, and over here is platform 1, and I won't go to the other side of the station building because there's some staff there and I don't think they'd appreciate me walking over there and getting them on camera and all that stuff. They might come at me with a chainsaw or something. I'm joking. But anyway... Just a second. Actually, I can do a slow pan of the station building from the other side. And that's platform 1. And there's the buffers at the end of the track. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.